This video will show you how to cancel your Norton subscription.
Here's how to cancel your Norton subscription. You should first go to this website right here, my.norton.com, and sign into your account. So I don't have an account, so let me just tell you the prompts. Click on your profile icon or your name at the top right corner, which I assume it will be placed right here. Select Manage My Subscription. Find the plan you want to cancel and click Cancel Subscription Renewal or Cancel Renewal. You should confirm your cancellation when prompted. It will show you some steps right there, and you'll still have access until the end of your current billing cycle. And Norton will stop charging you after that. So that's it. Your Norton subscription is cancelled.